love playing Sims or want to play it but don't have it on your PC or laptop? Don't worry because we got you covered. For this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to download The Sims 4 on PC and laptop for free. Before we begin, don't forget to press the subscribe button for more videos and tutorials like this. To begin, open a web browser on your PC or laptop and on the search tab, simply search for The Sims 4. Once you've typed and entered The Sims 4, different results will appear, but just press the first option. It will lead you to this site where on the top right corner of the screen you'll see a Play for Free button. So just press that. Then you'll see different options as to how you can download Sims. So you can use your PlayStation, Xbox, and more, but for this tutorial, we'll be using Steam. Once you press Steam, it will lead you to their website, and here just press the green install button at the top part of your screen. Once you have Steam installed, just open it on your laptop or your desktop and then go to Store. Again, make sure that you're under Store, which you can see at the top left corner of your screen, and once you're here, go to the search tab and search for The Sims 4. The game will immediately appear as the first result, so just press that and then scroll down until you see the green button that says Play Game. So here I just scroll down, press the green Play Game button, and remember that this is completely free. Once you press the Play Game button, this will appear, so just press Install and then wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. And just like that, you can start enjoying and playing the game on your PC or your laptop. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.